Question 5 from exercise 4.2 from the Gamma textbook. This time we've got x minus 7 over 2 is 1. So this time we've got a minus here rather than a plus, which we had for question 2. So let's see how this works. So lots of different ways I can do this, but probably the quickest way is to be getting rid of the 2 on the bottom first. I'm going to get rid of the denominator. And to get rid of the denominator, in other words, I want to move the denominator to the right-hand side. We want all unknowns on the left-hand side, and we want the knowns on the right-hand side. So I want to get this 2 across here. So to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, the whole of both sides by 2. Let's do that. So x minus 7 on 2 is 1. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. I'm going to multiply all of this by 2. And of course, this means that I've got a 2 divided by a 2. And of course, a 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 1 times x minus 7 is just x minus 7. Now notice I can remove the brackets. And 1 times 2 is 2. Now, I've got a negative 7 over here. And I'm going to undo a negative 7. I undo a negative 7 with a plus 7. Because a plus 7 and a minus 7 is 0. Do the same thing to both sides. Minus 7 and plus 7 is 0. Notice I don't scribble it out. I just put a line or two through it. And the lines just show the examiner that I understand the process. Because most of the marks in these cases is not for getting the right answer. If this would say a 3 or 4 mark question, one of those marks would be for getting the answer correct. The other marks are for what we're doing now. So I'm left on the side with an x equals 2 plus 7, and 2 plus 7 is 9. And there is my solution.